I am on new gear for my camera. I'm recording a video. There's no strap. But I'm gonna switch quickly. Yep. So I have a new lens, new light, new everything, and I have my computer just right here. Yeah, it's a really nice transition. So I don't know if you're gonna like it. I don't know. Still, and I have a new mic too. Okay, that's not good. Anyway, so stay tuned for this beautiful video and tell me your opinion about it. If you like the lighting, the lens, the focusing, it's my Pomodoro, I'm sorry, the everything, the voice, because I have a new mic just right here. Let me know. I really need your feedback to adjust anything if it's not that perfect. I'm trying to make everything perfect because it's kind of a nice, a nice, but at the same time it's completely new for me, so I'm trying to adjust myself to the new gear. So yeah, let me know. I will be so happy to read your comments and know your feedbacks.